Did you know that the galaxy we live in, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy? But what if I told you that this may not happen the way we think? For a long time, we believed that the merger between these two galactic giants would be a cataclysmic event, marked by stars colliding and creating a spectacle of light and chaos in the sky. However, new research is challenging this view. The truth is that the collision may be much more complex and surprising than we imagined. In this video, we will explore the predictions about this fascinating collision and how they are evolving. We will analyze the new simulations that could change our understanding not only of the Milky Way and Andromeda, but also of our place in the cosmos. This discussion is more than an astronomical curiosity. It leads us to reflect on concepts of time, space, and the forces that shape the universe we inhabit. The importance of this topic extends beyond astronomy. Understanding what lies ahead helps us appreciate the fragility of our existence and the wonderful, albeit chaotic, cosmos we live in. And if you are passionate about these mysteries of the universe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. We promise to reveal a new perspective on the future of our galaxy, one that may change the way you see the night sky. The traditional view of the collision. For decades, the idea that the Milky Way and Andromeda would collide has fascinated astronomers and science enthusiasts. This notion is almost romantic, the image of two majestic galaxies colliding in a cosmic dance that would result in a new galaxy, what many call Milkomeda. But what really happens when we analyze this prediction? Since the early 20th century, astronomers have speculated about the interaction between the Milky Way and Andromeda. The distance of 2.5 million light-years between them and the speed of 110 kilometers per second generated a widely accepted belief that, in approximately 5 billion years, we would witness this spectacle. These predictions were based on simplified models that considered only the two galaxies in isolation. The problem with these predictions, however, lies in the simplicity of the models used. At that time, astronomers relied on limited data and insufficient computational power to simulate the real complexity of the local group of galaxies, which includes not only the Milky Way and Andromeda, but also other galaxies such as M33 and the Magellanic Clouds. These additional factors could significantly influence the final outcome, but they were often overlooked. With technological advances and new data collection provided by missions like Gaia, scientists began to reassess this narrative. New simulations incorporate information about the gravitational behavior of all the galaxies in our local group, resulting in much more complex predictions and, in many cases, less alarming ones. In light of this, the traditional view of the collision is not only simplistic, it is, in a way, misleading. The new simulations and discoveries. If you thought that the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda was a certainty, prepare to have your perspective challenged. New simulations have revealed a scenario that is much more dynamic and intriguing than we imagined. With the advent of high-resolution simulations, scientists can now model not only the two galaxies, but the entire complex environment in which they exist. The ESA's Gaia project, for example, is cataloging billions of stars and their movements, allowing for a more detailed view of galactic structure. This data is crucial for understanding the gravitational interactions that shape our galaxies. Recent studies show that the collision may not be a catastrophic event as previously predicted. Instead, the interaction between the Milky Way and Andromeda may occur in a much more gradual manner, with several close passes and interactions over billions of years. The most up-to-date simulation suggests that the actual merger could take up to 10 billion years to occur, a process that, rather than destroying, could enrich our universe with new stars and galactic structures. Another fascinating discovery is that even after the merger, our solar system may remain relatively intact. The distance between stars is so vast that, even with the gravitational upheaval of the collision, the probability of a direct impact on our solar system is extremely low. This means that while we may witness the cosmic dance of Andromeda and the Milky Way, our cosmic home may very well remain safe and stable. These new discoveries challenge the alarmist narrative that many of us grew up believing. What is at stake here is more than a collision. It is a cosmic transformation that invites us to reconsider our place in the universe. But how does this new perspective fit into our understanding of cosmic time? Now, you may be wondering, how do the concepts of time and space alter the way we understand this galactic collision? Get ready to explore a new dimension of the universe, where billions of years become just a blink of an eye. When we talk about the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda, it is easy to fall into the trap of thinking about events linearly. However, the truth is that time in the cosmos does not work the way we are used to thinking. Billions of years are more than just a count of days. They represent a timescale that is beyond our everyday understanding. In this scenario, each movement and interaction between the galaxies unfolds slowly, revealing a cosmic ballet where the actual collision becomes a series of continuous interactions. Beyond time, the vastness of space plays a crucial role. The Milky Way and Andromeda are about 2.5 million light-years apart. This immense separation means that even if the galaxies are walking toward each other, the actual collision will take billions of years to materialize. During this time, the stars and solar systems that make up each galaxy will be moving in their own orbits, resulting in a complex gravitational dance that may lead to new stellar formations. The gravitational forces acting between the two galaxies are like a conductor orchestrating a cosmic symphony. As the Milky Way and Andromeda approach each other, the gravitational interactions may create spectacular phenomena, such as bursts of star formation and the emergence of new galactic structures. This dynamics offers a new way to think about the lives of galaxies and our role in the universe. By understanding how time and space shape the galactic collision, we gain a new perspective on our own existence. We human beings are just a fraction of what unfolds in a vast and ever-changing universe. But what does this mean for the future of the Milky Way? And how are we, on our small planet, interconnected with these grand cosmic events? The future of Earth in the galactic collision. Now that you understand the complexity of time and space in our galaxy, a crucial question arises. How will the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda affect Earth and our place in the cosmos? Brace yourself, as the answers may surprise you. At first glance, the idea of two galaxies colliding may seem apocalyptic. But the truth is that, when this happens, Earth, just like our solar system, will be in a different place than it is today. In billions of years, our sun will have gone through its life stage and transformed into a white dwarf. Therefore, when the galactic collision occurs, Earth may be in a new phase of its history, which radically alters the impact of the collision on our existence. Although the collision itself may not be a catastrophic event for life, it will provide a unique cosmic spectacle. The gravitational interaction between the two galaxies will create waves of star formation, where new stars and planets may emerge. This phenomenon could create new worlds that, who knows, may be habitable or even harbor extraterrestrial life. This possibility raises a fascinating question. Could life as we know it on Earth find new homes in the cosmos over time? The galactic collision invites us to reflect on our place in the universe. With each new star that is born, we are reminded that we are all interconnected. Humanity's journey is deeply tied to the cosmic events that occur on unimaginable scales of time and space. Colliding galaxies are not just a spectacle. They are a reminder that we are part of something much greater. Thus, as we look up at the starry sky, we can ponder not only our future, but also how cosmic forces shape our reality. The collision of the Milky Way with Andromeda is not the end, but a new beginning for the universe and perhaps for life itself. How can we understand our place in the universe when faced with the reality of colliding galaxies? This collision is not just a physical change in the cosmos, but also an invitation to reflect on the meaning of life, time, and space. The idea that the Milky Way and Andromeda will meet challenges the way we think about life and our purpose in the universe. If, in billions of years, everything we know can change drastically, how should we live our lives now? Philosophers throughout history have questioned the nature of existence, and the galactic collision forces us to reconsider our priorities and values. Can we find meaning in a cosmos that is in constant transformation? The fragility of our existence leads us to value each moment, each interaction, and encourages us to explore and better understand the universe. Scientifically, the collision between galaxies represents a fertile ground for research and innovation. With each new discovery about gravity, star formation, and the structure of the universe, we expand our knowledge. This understanding may be essential to answering questions about the origin of life, the evolution of galaxies, and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The study of cosmic phenomena teaches us about the fundamental laws that govern not only galaxies, but also our own lives. In summary, the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is a cosmic event that redefines our understanding of time, space, and our place in the universe. Rather than a catastrophic end, this collision offers a unique opportunity for growth and transformation, reminding us that we are part of a larger cosmic dance. As we navigate our lives on Earth, we can draw lessons from this galactic interaction. The fragility of our existence highlights the importance of living fully, exploring the unknown, and seeking connections with others. By appreciating the beauty of our universe and its complexities, we can find meaning in the chaos that surrounds us. So, as you gaze at the stars in the night sky, remember that you are witnessing a spectacular performance in a vast and ever-changing universe. And while the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda may take billions of years to unfold, the story of our cosmos continues to evolve with each passing moment.